Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Pradeep of Maths Teacher. So today in this video, we'll solve the coordinate geometry exercise 7.2, the seventh problem. Now the question is, find the coordinates of a point A where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is 2 of minus 3 and B is 1 comma 4. Right children, so this is the question. Now just read the question again. Find the coordinates of point A. So you need to find the coordinates of a point A where AB is the diameter of a circle. So nothing but, so one circle is there. In that circle, AB is the diameter whose center is 2 comma minus 3 and B is 1 comma 4 they have given. You need to find the coordinates of A. Now children, just if you have remembered the last problem, there also they have not given the ratio, and you need to find the coordinates. Like that here also they have not given the ratio. Just you need to find the coordinates of A, but they have given some condition. What is that condition? AB is the diameter of a circle. So therefore, suppose this is a circle where this is, I'll write this as AB, right? Nothing but AB is a diameter, right? Now find the coordinates of A. So nothing but you need to find the coordinates of this point. So I'll write the coordinates of A are x comma y. So nothing but you need to find the coordinates of x comma y. Now how will you find the coordinates of x comma y? So just read the question again. So find the coordinates of A where AB is a diameter of a circle whose center is 2 comma minus 3. So therefore they have given a center the coordinate. So I'll write this as O. So what are the coordinates of O? They have given 2 comma minus 3. So therefore 2 comma minus 3 is the coordinates of the center, right? Now also they have given the coordinates of B here. So B. So therefore what is the coordinates of B? So 1 comma 4. Now by using this we need to find the coordinates of A, right? Now how will you find the coordinates of which section formula you will use? Now have they given a ratio? No, but just observe the condition. AB is a diameter and O is a center of a circle. So nothing but here this AB diameter line segment is divided in the point O in the ratio 1:1. Now how it can be divided in the ratio 1:1, children? Here AB is called as diameter, AO is called as radius, OB is called as a radius, children. Now twice of a radius is equals to what? 1 diameter. Also here in a circle every radius will be equal. So for example, if suppose AO is 4 centimeter means OB is also 4 centimeter. Is it clear, children? So therefore I am saying, so this AB line segment, AB diameter is divided in the point O in the ratio. So I think you know the formula. So x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. This is the formula we need to use if suppose any line segment is divided in the ratio 1:1. So by using that formula we can find the coordinates of A, children. So for that let me write AB is a diameter. AB is a diameter with center O they have given. So 2 comma minus 3 and the coordinates of B. The coordinates of B is how much? 1 comma 4. So therefore you need to find the coordinates of x comma y. So therefore let the coordinates of A will be x comma y, because you need to find the coordinates of A, right? So therefore let me write that as coordinates of A will be x comma y. So therefore as I said, the center O 2 comma minus 3 is the midpoint of the diameter AB. So therefore the coordinates of the midpoint A of x comma y can be find by using the formula, by using the coordinates of midpoint of O, right children? So therefore, O, right, so coordinates of midpoint is O, so therefore let me write O is equals to, now what is the formula? As I said, x1 plus x2 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2, right children? Write down the coordinates here. I'll write the coordinates again here. So a of x comma y, that you need to find out. So O they have given the center, the midpoint, so 2 comma minus 3, and here B they have given, B is 1 comma 4, right children? Now as usual, write down the first point A of, because you need to take A and B coordinates, right? So therefore write down this one as x1 y1. Here in the B, write down this one as x2 y2, right children? Don't write the x2 y2 here, O, because O is the midpoint of a circle, right? So therefore don't write the x2 y2 here. You need to write down the x2 y2 in the B points, B coordinates, right? Now just apply the values in the formula. So therefore O, I'll write the formula again. O equals to x1 plus x2 divided by 2 comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2, right? Right, now just observe the values. You know the midpoint coordinates, so how much? 2 comma minus 3, just apply there. So 2 comma minus 3 equals 2. Now here what is x1? X1 is nothing but x, right? So therefore I'll write here x plus x2. X2 is how much? X2 is 1 divided by 2 comma here y1. Y1 is how much? Y1 is y plus y2 is 4 divided by 2, right children? Now as usual, just compare the x coordinates value to the x coordinates, and here y coordinates value to the y coordinates, right? So on comparing, okay, now just write down the x coordinates first. So the thing, but 2 equals to x plus 1 divided by 2, here x coordinates, right children? So therefore 2 equals to x plus 1 divided by 2. Here I will write the y coordinates. So minus 3 is equals to y plus 4 divided by 2. Now simplify this, so we'll get the values, right? Here make a cross multiple, nothing is there means 1. Here also make a cross multiple, nothing is there means 1, right children? So therefore now 2 2s are 4 equals to, now multiple 1 into x plus 1. 1 into x plus 1 is nothing but the same number, x into 1 is nothing but x plus 1 on the 1, so therefore the same will come. So x plus 1 into 1 is nothing but x plus 1. Now I'll interchange this. So I'll write like this, x plus 1 is equals to 4. Now simplify this. So send the 1 to the right hand side. So x is equals to 4. If you send plus 1 to the right hand side means it will become minus 1. So this implies the answer is 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. So what is the value of x? Nothing but 3. Okay. Now the same method you need to apply here also and simplify this to get the y value. Now make a cross multiple. So 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6. Plus into minus is minus, so therefore 3 2s are 6. It's minus 6 is equals to, if you multiple y plus 4 to 1 means the same will come. So therefore y plus 4. So now I'll interchange this. Y plus 4 is equals to minus 6. Now send the 4 to the right hand side. So y is equals to minus 6 will be there as usual. If you send plus 4 to the right hand side means it will become minus 4. So therefore minus into minus will be plus, so that means you need to add. So add 6 plus 4 is 10. Also sign of a biggest number is 6 and sign is minus, so therefore minus 10. So what is the y value? Y value is minus 10. So therefore what are the coordinates of A? So therefore the coordinates of A of x comma y is equals to how much? 3 comma minus 10 is the coordinates of x and y, right? There's nothing but coordinates of a, sorry, coordinates of a, right children? And thank you.